A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to just show you this lovely 2-row repeat crochet pattern, and it's great for blankets, scarves and hats. You can make quite a nice hat, the body of a hat. We're just going to be working on multiple of 2 chain plus 1 extra, and it's just a 2-row. Our first row is just working 1 double crochet into each stitch, and then we work the pattern row, and then we just repeat row 1 and row 2 for the length of the item you are going to crochet. So it looks like this from the front and like that from the back. And I'm using a 6mm or a J crochet hook and some worsted or 8-ply yarn. Because I crochet tightly, I'm using a bigger size crochet hook, so a 5.5mm crochet hook would be just as good. So I'm just going to start off by making my slip knot, and I'm going to crochet a chain of 12 for my multiple of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got my multiples of 2, and I'm just going to work 1 extra chain. So it's a multiple of 2 plus 1 extra chain. So I'm not going to use the first chain from the hook or the second chain from the hook. I'm just going to miss those 2 chain, and into the third chain from the hook I'm going to work 1 double crochet, and these 2 chain, they count as a stitch and as the turning chain. So for the first pattern row we're just going to be working 1 double crochet into each chain across. So just working 1 double crochet into each chain across for the first pattern row. And 1 double crochet into the last chain. So this is your first pattern row. Just 1 double crochet into each stitch across. For the second pattern row I'm going to chain 1, and into the first stitch I'm going to work a single crochet. Then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, and round the second stitch, so this is the first stitch, round the second double crochet I'm going to work a front post single crochet, and then into the next stitch I'm going to work a single crochet. So we get a little bit of a frill there. Then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, and around the next double crochet I'm going to work a front post single crochet, and into the next stitch, this double crochet, the next stitch, I'm just going to work a single crochet, and then we just repeat the sequence. So we're just going to chain 1, 2, 3, and then work a front post single crochet around the next double crochet, and then just a single crochet into the next double crochet. And that's how it's starting to look. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet around this double crochet here, a front post single crochet. And then a single crochet into the next stitch, and we chain 1, 2, 3, and we work our front post single crochet around this, the next stitch. And then we work the following stitch, the next stitch, the single crochet, and we're left with our 2 chain, our turning chain. We're just going to work a single crochet. You can either work it into the second chain or just work it into the chain like so. So here we have worked the first pattern row, which is just your double crochet, and this is the second pattern row. So we're just going to repeat. I'll work 2 more rows with you. So I'm going to start with the first pattern row. So we chain 1, 2. And these 2 chain count as a stitch. So I'm not going to be using this stitch here. I'm going to miss it. And into the next stitch, I'm going to work a double crochet. And then into the following stitch, because we have our little frill there, and this is the stitch where you can see where we've worked our front post single crochet. So your stitch is here. I'm just going to work a double crochet. And then we have our double crochet from the previous round, our single crochet from the previous round. I'm just going to work my double crochet into there. So you just have to pull it up slightly to get to the stitch. And into this stitch here, where we worked our front post single crochet, we're just going to work our double crochet there. And then if you can see because of the frill, your double crochet has sort of gone over. So your single crochet has gone over, should I say. So what we're going to do is you just hold it up and work your double crochet into that single crochet. We just repeat that. So our double crochet into this single crochet, and just hold the frill up so you can see your single crochet from the previous row, and just work your double crochet into there. And you double crochet into this one. Just hold it up so you can see your single crochet, just work your double crochet. And you double crochet into that single crochet from the previous round, and we're left with the last single crochet from the previous round. We just work our double crochet into there. So this is how it's looking. your first pattern row, your second pattern row, then your first pattern row, and we'll just work our second pattern row. So I'm going to chain 1 and work a single crochet into the first stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, and then work my front post single crochet around the next double crochet. And then a single crochet into the following stitch. Then we chain 1, 2, 3, and we work our front post single crochet around the next stitch. And then our single crochet into the following stitch. And we just repeat that till the end of the row. 1, 2, 3 chain, a front post single crochet, and then our single crochet into the following next stitch. And that's just how it's starting to look with the little frill. So I'm going to work my 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, front post single crochet around the next double crochet of the previous round, and then just a single crochet into the next stitch. Then 1, 2, 3 chain, our front post single crochet around the next stitch, and then single crochet into the last double crochet there, and then just finish off by working a single crochet into the 2 chain. And that's how your pattern looks. And it looks like that from the other side. So we've worked our first pattern row, second pattern row, our first pattern row and second pattern row. I hope this tutorial has been useful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.